Windows 11 is a hot new girl on the block and everyone wants her, but there's a lot of maintenance that comes with a hottie like Windows 11. So what is the minimum RAM requirement to install and run Windows 11? Well, do you know what it is for Windows 8, Windows 10? Well, for Windows 8 and Windows 10, if you're running the 32-bit, it's going to use 1 gigabyte. That's the requirement, 1 gigabyte of RAM. If you are running the 64-bit version of Windows 10, that's going to be 2 gigabytes of RAM required. Now, Windows 11 does not have 32-bit compatibility. It only has 64-bit compatibility. But it's the hot new girl on the block, requires more time, more maintenance, all the things. So you can't just get away with 2 gigabytes of memory. Sorry, you're going to have to give Windows 11 at least 4 gigabytes of memory. Yes. So the minimum RAM requirement to install and run Windows 11 is going to be 4 gigabytes of memory.